Okay guys, so if you want to make subscribe button animation for your YouTube videos like this in my side, you can make this easily using Kinemaster app. I will show you the trick how can you make this in a mobile phone 2022. But before we start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's move to my mobile screen. Okay guys, so if you want to make subscribe button animation and if you want to add that in your video, like, share and subscribe. So how to make this? So first you have to go to my video description, and in my description there is one website link, and then you have to install Kinemaster application because I'll make this from Kinemaster app. So just install this Kinemaster app and just click on that website link, and after you click on that link you'll go to this website. Okay, now after you click on that link, okay, so this is the website. You can see here, you'll visit this website after you click on that link, and you can see here are so many template and outro of like, share and subscribe animation green screen. So just you can download anyone from this. So suppose I download this first one. Okay, I play this video. Okay, so just you have to download this. So how to download this? You can see here is one download icon, save icon. So just click on this download option, and after you click on this save option, you can see here download again option. So click on this download, and then you can see here this video has been downloaded to my mobile gallery. First I show you this. Okay, you can see here this animation. You can download animation from that website, and then just open Kinemaster. Now here the step begins, and then click on this create new, and then click on this create option, and now you have to open that video, green screen video animation. Okay, you can see here subscribe, and now you can see here layer option. So just click on this layer option and click on media, and now you have to add your YouTube channel logo. So this is my YouTube channel logo. You can see here, I play this video again. You can see here this is my YouTube channel logo. You have to same add your channel logo, and then you have to adjust this logo according to this frame. Okay, I adjust it properly. Okay, you can see here guys. Now you have to click on this logo, click on your channel logo, and you can see here in animation option. So just click on this in animation, and you can see here are so many animation. So just you have to click on this slide of animation, and then you have to select this animation time, duration time. So this, now I play this video. You can see here the live proof. Okay, now after you add your channel logo, you can see here is one layer option. Again click on this layer, and now type your YouTube channel name. So I type my channel name SR Tech. Okay, you can see here SR Tech. Type your channel name, and you can see here is one font. So just you have to select font. Okay, I select this font, and then now you have to select the color. You can select black color. Okay, now I play this animation again. You can see here my channel name. So this you have to also adjust this your channel name, adjust according to the frame or outro. You can see here guys like this. Okay, you can see here like this same properly you have to adjust. Okay, now guys, after you properly adjust, now my video has been ready. Now you have to save this video. Okay, so just simply save this video, and now how to use this green screen animation in your YouTube video. I will show you the step. This video has been saved. Now open your any video in Kinemaster which you want to edit. Okay, this is one video. I want to add green screen in this. So how can I add this? Just you have to click on this layer option and click on media, and now you have to add that same video. You can see here I play this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the SRT channel. Okay, so now you have to click on this green screen animation, and now you have to enable this chroma key option. You can see here chroma key. So just enable this chroma key option, and now this green background has been removed. The outro. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Now I again properly adjust it to my video, and now you can see. Now guys, the work has been finished. I play this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the SRT channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell icon. Okay, so this is the method guys. You can see here, this is the way to add green screen animation to make subscribe button. You can select any video and you can make it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and website link is in the description. So bye bye guys.